Hi, welcome to DRD Allotments. We're down here today, we're having a fire and dealing with the rubbish at the back. So I'll take you along and you can have a look what we're doing. So I'll just switch over and be back to take. Right, a couple of wheelbarrows here that we're busy fixing. They just need the tyres blowing up now. Come along here, as you can see, Horlicks, I have a fire. We've got somebody coming to take the rubbish soon, so what we're doing is we're sorting through it, burning what wood there is, bagging up the rest of it. Trouble is, we've run out of heavy duty bags, so we're going to have to get some more and come back and another day, but we'll go through this, sorting out what we can burn. So this is just for Horlicks. There you go, Horlicks. Nice little fire. So we're now going to stop and have a break, and then I'll do some more video later on, and maybe this pile may be smaller. That's a big maybe. So see you soon. Right, we've been sort of going through this rubbish, bagging up what we can, because end of September there's a lad coming with a van to take away. We're digging out any wood, put it there to dry, get it burnt, so that's out of the way. So load of bags there, and this stuff here, pile's gone down a bit, and load of metal here, a load of wood there. So slowly getting this area clear, so I'll take you down the rest of what a quick tour of the allotment. Let's see, beds are ready to, will be getting opened up soon. This area's clear. This area, as you've seen, bed up there, clear. That's got onions and garlic in. That bed's to be moved. We're just waiting for Frank to come down with some pallets, some more pallets, and then we're finished, ready to go home, because it's starting to rain. So we've done a canny bit here the day. So thank you for watching, and catch you again soon. So that's Dave from DRD Allotment saying goodbye for now.